Hello, everybody. David from ElevateChat AI here today, and we are going to make a real quick video just about websites. I cannot tell you how many times I get on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, or hear from different meetings and referrals. People are looking for websites. And I can tell you right now, from a guy that used to build websites nonstop, people who build websites charge way too much money for websites. It is 2023, y'all. You do not need to spend $5,000 building a website, okay? I'm going to show you how you can very quickly launch a website using the Elevate program and CRM. It's super easy. You don't have to stress out about it. I'm going to show you how you can have a website ready to go in probably about 5 minutes. So let's just jump straight in. Of course, our website, elevatechatai.com. I will do a real quick plug. We have a 12 days left before our promotion or launch promotion ends, where you could be saving thousands of dollars a year. And so I really hope you dive in because expenses do go up over time. So if you go ahead and jump in now, in the next 12 days, you will at least save $1,594 for the first year. And then as prices increase over time, you're locked in for life. So why not go ahead and take advantage of that? So let's just go straight into how you can build a website. First of all, I want to start with one of our founding clients, Dr. Holt of ProMerit Capital. And so you can just see how slick and easy this is, okay? Not a whole lot of places to go. There's a call to action. She's got a free multifamily course that she built and runs through the Elevate program. She has a lead magnet. This is where about a 7-page informational thing about multifamily real estate. This automation is also set up through the Elevate program. And then also we have her calendar where you can book an appointment with her and you can jump in and start talking to her AI right away. This is a super easy website, and most people I meet do not need anything more than this. If you go to one of those websites that have 5 pages, 10 pages, 20 pages of things, who's really looking at all that stuff? We need to be real and honest with ourselves. Sometimes websites are more about our ego than actually converting. So let's just show you how you can have a real quick website up and ready to go, just like Dr. Holt here. So if we go into the Elevate CRM platform, we do have a funnel side. And when you purchase ElevateChat AI, you have access to unlimited funnels. You can have as many funnels as you want, which a funnel is essentially just a website. It really just is. If you have clickfunnels.com, that's $250 a month just for building funnels. And this program right here is at $297 per month. And you can have limited funnels and artificial intelligence and email marketing and so many other things already built in. This is something I went ahead and picked out already. But if you want to just dive in here to the funnel side and create a new funnel, look, we have 1,000 plus templates already loaded for you. You don't have to recreate the wheel. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on hiring a web designer, hiring someone like me that's going to build you a website in 30 minutes and charge you $5,000. It's not necessary. Let's just go straight in here and go ahead and pick from any of these really great designs that have proven conversion rates that you can really dive in. You can go by your industry and you can go by what you're trying to accomplish. And there's also some different things you can look at. So I went ahead and I selected a real estate because we're focusing on capital raisers, real estate investors, and property managers. So I just selected this one. You can select anything and change the pictures around. That's all we're going to do. We're going to come in here. The design is already to go. Heck, if you were a novice and you didn't want to mess around that much, how much of this do you really have to change? You're going to click on the box right here. We spelled the state wrong, but that's fine. And let's say you're just staring at this and you're like, man, I have no idea what I should say right here. Let's pop over into our AI because everything Elevate does has something to do with AI. Because coming from years in the marketing world and banking, I got tired of writing stuff over and over again. So we have baked the AI into as many things as we can as possible. All we have to do is coach at this point, provide a brief content description, catchy headline. Let's say I want to buy houses. I'm a cash buyer for a cash buying service, house buying service. Okay. And I could probably put some other things in there. Let's just make it, you want it to be professional, but maybe we'll make it casual. And I'm going to have 3 variations because it's going to pump out a few ideas for me. And let's just generate that. And now if I'm stuck and I don't know what to write, I got it right here. Get a quick cash offer. Boom. Done. I like that one. The very first one's mine. I like it. Let's just choose that one. Boom. Okay, here we go. And it looks like it kept a little bit extra in here. So all I got to do is just delete that. And there you go. Get a quick cash offer. Now that's really nice and all for just a quick headline you're thinking, but what about for the big stuff? Let's come down here. What are you going to say in this part? Oh my gosh, this is a really long part. I don't know. I don't know what to write here. Let's go ahead and pull up our content AI again. Now, this section right here might be talking about how we evaluate how much to offer on a house. So I could say something like this: a detailed overview on how much we can offer on a house and our buying process. Now, you probably already know that on the top of your head, but why sit here and type when you could just have this content AI pull it up and it'll give us some information? Okay. And you can add to it. You can change whatever you want, or we can just keep moving. Okay. We've got our content in here. Looks like we got to delete a few things and make it look pretty. And here we go. And you can do that throughout the piece, or you can add your own content. Now, what about all these pictures? That's not me. I don't look like that. Okay, I don't want this guy on my page. Not a problem. Let's go ahead and change the picture app. You can come in here. This is our demo account. You can put as many pictures and videos as you want in here, or if you're just starting out, you don't know what to do, you can go here to Unsplash. And once again, we're house buyers, so let's just put a house in here. Look at that. Let's go ahead and this is a cool looking house. This is, well, you're probably buying houses that look like this. Maybe you want to put this house on. And let's go down here and let's change this picture. It'll change here in a moment. And we'll say, oh, let's go ahead and put some happy people here because we just bought their house and they got all cash. Okay. And now we've got freedom and happiness. Oh, here we go. This looks like you selling a house or buying a house from somebody. All right. So let's go ahead and save. And now we're updated. So when you're in the library, we can just go ahead and look anything up. Apartments. Okay. There we go. Move to our apartments. Boom. There's your new apartment. Okay. And as you get better at it, you can just definitely play around with the settings. You can change the font colors. You can do all kinds of things. Drag and drop, no coding needed. That's the important part of this. You'll never need to code anything. It's all just ready to go for you. Okay. You don't want to waste your time building a website or spending thousands of dollars. You don't have to do that. So now here's the technical thing. Everyone, this is the biggest kept secret when it comes to building websites is how do you actually put a website on the internet? I can tell you right now, this website's already on the internet. Let's go ahead and give it a refresh because I've changed some things. It's already on the internet. So you can see right here, I'm not in my system or whatever. I'm at demo.elevatefunnel.com. All right. All of our accounts come with the ability for you to host as many websites as you want, as many domains as you want, and custom settings, domain. And you can add a domain that's yours, or you can use ours, elevatefunnel.com. We'll simply just put a little indicator right here. Nobody will notice. I promise you. Everything is clickable now. Your web domain is not as important as it used to be. It still is important. So if you want to have that accurate kind of branding, I totally understand. But as of right now, it's all about speed to lead. It's all about getting your funnel set up. It's all about getting out there and not spending thousands of dollars on something that you don't need to anymore. It's 2023. You don't have to worry about that anymore. So let's just wrap up and show you the process. You can very easily come into your funnels location, pick from thousands of templates, change out the words, change out the pictures. You can select the categories that you want if you are in different industries or a different kind of call to actions. Tons of options you can have. You don't have to build from scratch. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on designer. You can go straight into the domain, list a domain. We have domains ready for you, or you can list your own. You can definitely see what something like this could do. You can host an online course on here and just very quickly and easily have all this up. There's no reason why this can't take you more than a few minutes to get going. It's all about speed to lead, remember. So that's it with the websites. We'll definitely have more information to come here soon. But definitely go to our website, www.elevatechat.elevatechatai.com. You can watch a demo here. You can look at our pricing here, schedule a call with me. And now we have a really cool new feature that you can actually build your own AI bot on the spot and start talking to it immediately, take it for a test drive. So there'll be another video about that. But anyways, hope you all get a chance to check it out. And remember that we do have that promotion coming to an end. So now it's time to jump on board. Talk to y'all soon.